This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable bowls and containers, specifically these Pulp containers, bowls, and lids. There's a few options here, and they're all available in both the white or the natural color. You have your 9-ounce bowl, your 17-ounce oval container, which you can see here in white, and the 27-ounce oval, which you can see in the natural color. There's also lids to go with all of these. And the lids themselves are sold separately, so you want to make sure you buy your corresponding lids if needed. One of the unique features about these are that the lids are built in with these nice little depressions here that are actually made for setting 2 bowls on top of each of these containers, making them an easy and efficient way to pack meals, especially if you need to include any sides, sauces, or other accompaniments that might impact the texture and taste of your main dish. These are all made from bagasse, or compressed sugarcane pulp. They're both 100% commercially compostable and biodegradable, making them perfect for eco-minded establishments. As you can see, the bowls kind of snap into and fit in those little depressions in the lids, making them really easy to pack up to-go meals in. They're both grease-resistant and durable, meaning that you can pack hearty meals without worrying about messes or spills, or even things like oils soaking through. The containers are microwave and freezer safe, so they're great for both storing or reheating leftovers. They're designed to be stackable to help you save space in your busy kitchen. And since they're disposable, cleanup is quick and easy, which is always fantastic. It makes these containers great for takeout and delivery orders, or for customers that are looking to take home their leftovers. So they're perfect for a variety of food establishments or for packing up things like lunches to take to work or school.